Even those people, denominations can sing that in the world there is no one who is holy, no one is righteous. From the beginning there were righteous people. Even the holy ones were there and they shall be. But there is something that could make them to be that. So if you fail to do it, you will not be. So you are entitled to hear the voice of God. It is the voice of God to make you reach the character of being holy. And now God looks at you in that He expects you to be as you walk through His ways. Amen. There is not any other way as a child of God that you're going to do that pleases God when you don't have God's voice, because God doesn't speak to you. Ekigambo kyennyini kye wampadde okubeera nga mbabuulira era kye mpamale kakisimbe